In a continuously evolving world, cryptocurrencies have taken center stage, opening new opportunities for those who want to realize their dreams. One cryptocurrency that has been gaining significant attention is PiNetwork, which offers a unique opportunity to own your dream car. Before we delve into further details, let's get acquainted with what PiNetwork is. It's a cryptocurrency focused on everyday use, providing you with the freedom to use it as you wish. What sets PiNetwork apart is how you acquire it. To kickstart your journey towards your dream car, you first need to accumulate Pi. This is the initial step that requires patience and dedication. How can you gather Pi? One way is by mining it through the PiNetwork mobile app. It's an easy and convenient way to commence your path towards owning your dream car. PiNetwork, price and exchange rate. Now you might be wondering, how much Pi do you need to realize this dream? The answer largely depends on the current exchange rate. As of the writing of this article, 1 Pi is equivalent to 314,519 PiNetwork. Please bear in mind that this exchange rate can fluctuate over time, depending on market dynamics. Steps toward your dream car. Accumulate Pi. The first step is to gather a sufficient amount of Pi to purchase your dream car. This might take some time, and the more Pi you have, the greater your chances of owning that dream car. Find sellers accepting Pi. Once you've accumulated enough Pi, the next step is to seek out sellers or car dealers who accept payments in PiNetwork. This can be a challenge, considering that cryptocurrency is still relatively new in vehicle purchase transactions. However, with the growing PiNetwork community, the possibilities are increasing. Execute the transaction. After finding a seller accepting Pi, you can initiate the transaction for your dream car. Ensure that you understand the entire payment procedure and make sure everything proceeds smoothly. Challenges in using PiNetwork. While the idea of owning your dream car using PiNetwork sounds appealing, there are several challenges to address. One of them is the availability of sellers or dealers who accept payments in PiNetwork. Nevertheless, as technology advances and cryptocurrency adoption becomes more widespread, this challenge may gradually diminish. Additionally, the fluctuating value of PiNetwork can affect the worth of your currency. Therefore, it's essential to comprehend the risks and invest wisely. Benefits and potential. Despite the challenges, there are significant advantages to using PiNetwork to own your dream car. Firstly, it's one of the latest ways to integrate cryptocurrency developments into your daily life. It also provides you with the opportunity to participate in the ongoing evolution of cryptocurrency technology. Furthermore, PiNetwork has captured the attention of people worldwide, creating a robust community that can offer support and additional insights as you venture toward owning your dream car. Owning your dream car with PiNetwork is an exciting idea that can become a reality with dedication and proper planning. Cryptocurrencies like PiNetwork offer you fresh opportunities to achieve your dreams, and with prudent usage, you can accomplish them. As the exchange rate of PiNetwork continues to evolve, PiNetwork users have intriguing opportunities in the future. With calculation and appropriate planning, who knows? You might be driving your dream car with PiNetwork in the not-so-distant future.